Hello, good night. My name is Christian Emmanuel Ruiz Caballero. My student ID number is 2025200184. I'm going to talk about my brother daily routine. Let's go. First, he wakes up at 6 a.m. Then he wakes up and makes his bed. Next, Next, he takes a shower in the bathroom. He brushes his his teeth and comes here. He's here. He eats a delicious breakfast at 7 a.m. After that, after that, he goes to university by bus. He eats lunch with his friends at noon. He returns home at 4 p.m. and the rest. I in the evening he watches TV and does his homework. Okay. Finality, he goes to sleep at 10 p.m. This is daily routine. Thank you very much for your attention. Goodbye.